First of all, you want to make your credit look as strong as possible, because at the end of the day, a bank will look at it from risk. So if you lived in your property a long while, obviously they know where you've not hidden any addresses in the background somewhere. So being on an electoral roll is really important. If you've got credit, some people think they take a credit card out and then they have to keep spending on it and paying it off. You don't need to do that, just take it out, that's fine. Generally what I would say is take a card out and then cut it up and just so you don't use it. Making sure that you pay on time every month, even the small ones like store cards or small credit cards, set them on direct debit so they get paid every month on time. And then really just, I guess, making sure that the credit you have got, you've not got too much. So even if you've got a credit card and you've got a £10,000 limit on it, even though you haven't spent on it, sometimes it's best to get that balance, that available credit line down, because that will go against you. So yeah, that's the main things to do on a credit report.